Good morning, dear students. I hope all are fine by the grace of the God. Today we are going to learn about kinds of sentence. Before that, last grammar class we have learned about subject and predicate. I already told that yes, a sentence has two parts. One is a subject and another one is a predicate. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. So today we are going to learn about kinds of sentence. There are four kinds of sentence, and one is declarative sentence, is otherwise known as assertive sentence or statement. Interrogative sentence. Third one is imperative sentence and exclamatory sentence. So declarative sentence is otherwise known as assertive sentence or statements. Kinds of sentence. Declarative sentence. Declarative sentence. What is declarative sentence? A sentence that declares something is called a declarative sentence. It ends with full stop. Where can we use full stop? At the end of the sentence we use full stop. Next one is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks question is called interrogative sentence. It is followed by a question marks. So what is exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory, it is a exclamation mark. So remember students, it is a exclamatory mark. So sudden feeling or emotion is called a exclamatory sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means a sentence that gives command, request, order is called a imperative sentence. It is also followed by a full stop. So a sentence is a four types of sentence: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. Let us see about the kinds of sentence in detail. Declarative sentence. A sentence that declares something is called a declarative sentence. A sentence that declares something is called a declarative sentence. Declarative sentence is otherwise known as statement or assertive. So declarative, remember, declarative sentence is otherwise known as statement or assertive. So declarative sentence always begins with capital letter. Declarative sentence always begins with capital letter. It always ends with full stop. It always ends with full stop. Remember, it always begins with capital letter. It ends with full stop. Okay. Declarative sentence. It is always ended with full stop. See the punctuation mark full stop. What is this? This is a full stop. So here let us see the example of declarative sentence. Rahul is a intelligent boy. See the full stop at the end of the sentence. We put the full stop. So Rahul here. Rahul, see the capital letter. R is a capital letter. So it always begins with the capital letter and ended with full stop. So Rahul is an intelligent boy. See the next example. He goes to school every day. So here he is a subject. So he is a pronoun. He, she, it, they is a pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a, instead of noun is called a pronoun. See, Rahul is a noun. He is a pronoun. So he goes to school every day. So it is a declarative sentence. So why it is a declarative sentence? See the example. Full stop at the end of the sentence, we use full stop. So it is a declarative sentence. Let us see the next example. Ducks swim in the water. So see at the beginning of the sentence, D is a capital letter. At the end of the sentence, full stop. So ducks swim in the water. I get up early in the morning. See the full stop. So it is a declarative sentence. I get up early in the morning. So next example is she is my new friend. See the example. She is my new friend. She is a pronoun. So he, she, it, the is a he, she, it, they is a pronoun. So see the full stop here. So it is a declarative sentence. Interrogative sentence. So what is interrogative sentence? A sentence that asks question is called interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks question is called interrogative sentence. So it always start with a capital letter. So it always start with a capital letter. It ends with a question mark. So interrogative sentence start with capital letter and ends with question mark. So see the punctuation here. What is this? This is a question mark. So that's why I put the question mark here. At the end of the sentence we use question mark. So it is a interrogative sentence. Let us see the example. Interrogative sentence. So let us see the examples of interrogative sentence. Where are you going? Where are you going? See the question mark here. So if the question mark is there in the sentence, it is considered as a interrogative sentence. So where are you going? So see the question mark here. So it is a interrogative sentence. Now let us see the next example. How many members are there in your family? So we are asking question. How many members are there in your family? So we are asking question. That means it is a interrogative sentence. So here question mark is there. So that's why it is a interrogative sentence. Can you solve the sum? Can you solve the sum? See the next example. What is your name? What is your name? So it is a examples of interrogative sentence. Okay. Imperative sentence. A sentence which expresses order, request, command, suggestions are called an imperative sentence. A sentence which expresses order, request, command, suggestions are called an imperative sentence. Let us see the example of imperative sentence. Okay. Imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? A sentence that gives command, request, order, advice, suggestion is called imperative sentence. So let us see the examples of imperative sentence. Please help me. Please help me. So in this sentence we are asking help for others. So it is a, what kind of sentence is this? We are asking request. It is a request. So it is a imperative sentence. We are asking request. So remember, it usually begins with a verb. So what is a verb? Last class we saw about that. What is a verb? Verb is a action word. I am running, I am playing. These are the verbs. So it is usually begins with a verb. Imperative sentence are usually begins with a verb. Here next sentence is get out of the class. So we are giving order. So here get out of the class, order. It is a order, so it is a imperative sentence. Work hard. It is a advice. This book is good for learning. It is a suggestion. This book is good for learning. So it is a suggestion. Okay. Exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? A sudden feeling or emotion is called a exclamatory sentence. So here a sentence that expresses strong feeling or emotions like sorrow, joy, wonder, etc. It is always ends with an exclamation mark. So what is exclamation mark? Here this is the exclamation mark. So strong feeling or emotions like sorrow, joy, wonder, etc. It is a ends, exclamatory sentence or ends with an exclamation mark. So like wow, it expresses wonder. Ouch, express pain. It is followed by a exclamation mark. It may be a exclamation mark, it may be end of the sentence or a beginning of the sentence. So it is called a exclamatory sentences. Okay. Exclamatory sentence. See the punctuation marks. It is a exclamation mark. So sudden feeling or emotion is called a sentence that expresses sudden feeling or emotion are called exclamatory sentence. It is ends with a always the sentence consists is a exclamation is called mark is called exclamatory sentence. See the sentence. Let us see the example. Hara, we have won. See here. What is this? This is exclamation mark. So it is a exclamatory sentence. It is a sudden feeling or emotion. Hurrah, we have won. See the next example. You did a great job. You did a great job. Here at the end of the sentence exclamation mark is there. So it is a exclamatory sentence. You did a great job. See the next example. What a beautiful country. What a beautiful country. So it is a sudden feeling, emotion. Okay, so what a beautiful country. See the exclamation mark. So it is a exclamatory sentence. Whatever it may be, it is the beginning of the sentence. Exclamation mark is the beginning of the sentence or the end of the sentence. It consists. So it is a exclamatory sentences. So how we lost it. How we lost it. It is an exclamation. It consists of the exclamatory mark. So it is an exclamatory sentence. How cold it is. How cold it is. It is a another example of a exclamatory sentence.